content creator. I own a company, I'm a CEO, a digital company, production like programs on YouTube and Facebook and stuff like that. And I'm obsessed with football, my channel, and being famous came from football. I joined football everywhere. I went to many stadiums all around the world. And suddenly I decided I want to invest. I want to invest in football, the only sport I love. And I love really English football. I went to many stadiums from the Premier League until the 5th Division National League. So I called Sam, actually my friend. I told her I need to invest. I need to have like a proper study from you to tell me about the clubs. And she really suggested Daniel to come here. And I really, when I came, found about the fans. In Egypt, in the 5th Division, nobody's watching the teams there.